Welcome back to the channel, guys. You don't know it's your boy Devrush. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you don't know Silk Boss mother link Terror Danan. You see me? She do some woman she share for her side a story about the whole situation we go down with Brii and Silk Boss and thing though. So before we get into the video, just like the video, share, comment. You see me I say? Yeah man.
Stay to myself, they never give me no help. Stay to myself, they never give me no stress. I'm 70 to see chocolate, nice nation. Stay to myself with my buckle and my rum and my weed. My Glock 17 and Brii.
Now for them mix up, but at the end of the day, my daughter them have to go to school, they have to go to work, me have to go to work. A tax we take. You understand? Me no support the whole beat up woman business because me know that feel like first hand. Silk witnessed that first hand. So him should put himself in that. You understand? But also at the end of the day, me not say no woman deserves certain things, but that girl need to know say sometimes she can bill. Me is all about the business. If you know say him reach a part, him always want to reach. Because when I go to school, I tear him down about music. I give him some blood clot liquor one day and take me when I go to studio and I go to class. Fuck him up in could go to school for 2 days. To me grieve. Because my last dollar I got and give boy and boy go to studio and I go to class. Shabira try help him out same way. But him and her fall out because of some things that she said to him. And him answer her. And she must understand also say, you can't tell a little man certain things that expect say then go still and take it. Whether you pitney or not. Respect go where respect come from. Me and her is the reason same way how me talk to you and how me talk. Friend talk to Bobby about Brii. The same friend in me them talk to Bobby about Brii. At the end of the day, nobody can choose who you want to talk to. You understand? Nobody can choose for him who you want to talk to. But at the end of the day, Brii understand also so the man have family. And if you go put him out in the media in a negative way, nobody now gonna respect you. Because me lose blood clot respect for Brii. Because guess what, you not act like a woman, you not act like a girl, you act like a something that you want to call her name because people already call her name. You understand? I mean, no Brii they go back, so me tell her for pussy. Because me I tell her for blood clot pussy. Me tired. Me have to go to work. Me have my daughter them. You understand? Me I tell her say you go give all your vloggers them and post it because Silk a good youth. And from Silk and Brii link this way appear negative. And Brii they act like say she okay and she all of that. And Brii know deep down say all what the happen is not right and she not try to fix it. And every time she go somebody say something negative about her, instead she come out and talk truth and talk what happen, she makes some stupid comment on Instagram. Your skin clean, every blood clot body skin clean. The girl when they dance in a mood skill clean, that's why the man them go look on them. The girl when they dance in a taboo skin clean, that's why the man them pay their money go look on them. My granny at 90 had hair roll and she don't have a scar on her body. Every woman's skin clean. It's not about your clean skin, it's about your fucking character. Come off and come off better. Represent your man better. Me never did go say nothing because me no want in the media because the media love take things and twist up it and make people look like say they say things what they never did say. Me never did go say nothing. Because a Silk put himself with Brii and them have them thing. But now that it affect my blood clot girl pitney them and it affect me not really care about me. Me can drop dead anytime. Me all and tough, me a 38-year-old. I care zero. But I have 3 daughters. I have 3 fucking daughters who are at risk when they go out on the road. One of my baby don't understand life yet. The next 2, one in the go college and I work, the next one I go primary school about to do pep. Them the 2 there, people can't harm them anytime. Them not gonna try to the baby, you know. And he can't try to the baby, you know. You understand? But if you understand, say him a put him sister them at risk. Brii a put Silk sister them at risk to people. Do them things. She not have to talk back to me. But it's all about the fact say Uno in a limelight, and uno need to live life where people can look up to uno. Brii now come off as she want people to respect her. You come up with a label, Ice Queen, whatever you want to name. Yeah, me big you up, me support you. If you want to push you to get your own business up and running, fine. Nothing is wrong with that. Everybody want growth in their life. Nobody want to go downhill. You meet him and him can elevate you, fine. You take elevation. But don't try to tear him down if you go up at top. Or have people that tear him down and you not try to come out and defend it. The life them want to go up on. You need to go up on the life and tell the people them exactly what happened. Where it take them get leak, device note get leak, and all them something. The talk what really happened because I no longer care because that affect my girl pitting them.
Guys, as you can hear, Silk Boss mother not too happy about the whole situation, you see what me I say. And she make you know straightforward, say how our youth is a good youth and yeah man. And she make you know also the effects where this whole situation can cause upon she and her family same way, you see what me I say. But overall my opinion to this whole thing still, you see me, is just have to tell you say just go and hold the faith and hope you learn from your mistake, you know, me generally see it. Yeah man. And make sure you just take this as a milestone in your life and move forward, you see what I say. No joke. So again guys, thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. Yeah man. And also when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see all the new upload videos.